We'll guide you through how to remove the pattern screen lock on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So when I go and press the button on the side of my phone to go and wake it up, then I swipe up to go and unlock it, you can go and see I have to do the pattern lock, and we can go and remove this. Perhaps you want to go and have nothing, or you want to go and have a PIN or a password. So for now, what you need to do is go and unlock it like so. Now, just consider that if you're going to go and not have any security on your device, then your data, your files can go and be accessed. People go and look at your messages, make phone calls, go through your other files and the social media apps. So do consider that, as what you may want to do is go and put another security lock on it. For example, a PIN or a password. We're going to guide you through this, so don't worry, but that is something to remember. So we're going to guide you through the different methods you've got, or how you can just go and have nothing. So to go and do this, what we can then do is go and swipe up like so, and you need to go and find the settings. So you can go and search at the top for settings, or just go and swipe across until you can go and find the option for settings. It's most likely going to be on the first page here. And then what you can do is go and open up settings like so, and here we are. Now what you want to do is go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for lock screen, and you can go and see screen lock type in there, or you can press search in the top right. And what you can then do is type in lock, and then you can go and get to the settings this way. It will take a bit of time. It's got to go and search your settings, and then we can see lock screen, and you can go and tap there. Now to go and remove it or go and change it, what you want to do is go and press screen lock type at the top. Then we can go and draw in the current pattern. So I'll draw mine in now, and then it will go and give us the options. So what we could do is go and select pin at the top and go and set a pin. You could use the password. So there's the two main alternatives you've got really. You've got biometrics at the bottom as well, potentially. But you can go and have none or have swipe. I like having none, potentially. So I'll select that there, but you could go and choose PIN or password, and then you'll have to go and enter one in. You can confirm it, and then that'll be used. But mine is set to none now. So if I go and press the side button, then I go and press it again, you go and see will get taken straight to the home screen. So there's no security on our device now. As I said, that does have its disadvantages, but I do know that it's a lot more convenient to be able to go and immediately start using your phone. It's just if it got into the hands of the wrong person. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and loads more to come as well. So I'm sure you'll go and find something else useful. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video, and I look forward to help you again in the next one. Goodbye for now.